just love a slight change because I definitely would never go back to coloring my hair again. And I'm not recommending that you color your hair again. Embracing our natural hair is a beautiful thing, but sometimes we want to switch it up with a little extra excitement. So what's up, guys? It's your girl Sharon, and today's video we're going to be talking about your gray hair and silver enhancers. And you might be thinking, well, why is she talking about enhancing your gray hair? It's already gray, it's already silver, and why would you want to change and go back to color? But whether you're looking for a subtle shimmer that you can get from a good purple product, or maybe you're ready for a full-on gray and or silver hair enhancer, we got you covered. Listen up and make sure you stay until the end of the video, because we believe that there's no such thing as too much when it comes to expressing yourself through your hair. So let's get into this video to explore the world of gray hair enhancers and find out why you might be the one to try it. Because who says gray hair can't and should not be chic? So you might be asking, Sharon, why should I use a silver hair enhancer? So the very first reason is because it adds dimension to your hair. So you might have gray hair that you might say looks dull, and maybe it's not about you moisturizing your hair or using the proper shampoos and or conditioners. We have so many different gray hair patterns. You might have a little skunk streak in your hair, or pattern where it's like all gray all over and or all silver all over. You might want to use a silver or gray hair enhancer to add more dimension to your already dimensional gray hair, just to give it a different and a pop of color. And when I say color, I don't mean changing your complete hair color. Say for instance, you're using like a slate gray, or maybe even you're using a more silver and or a platinum toner. Those are the reasons why I say you can add more dimension to your already gray hair and or silver hair. So a lot of times when I want to just try something different, which I did last summer, I tried a silver hair enhancer that gave me a pink tone to my hair. It's called conditioner. So it cleanses and it tones at the same time. So the more you use the product, the more it lasts in your hair. I didn't want it to last long. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun and see how I actually look with that particular tone that I use. And you can watch this video right here to see if I loved it or if I didn't love it. So another reason why you might try a gray hair or silver enhancer is because they offer great conditioning properties for smoother and shinier hair. So even if you don't choose a gray hair enhancer that just adds a tonality of gray or smoke gray and or silver to your hair, you can always know that these particular enhancers offer conditioning properties. So they serve a dual purpose. They are conditioners as well as enhancing and adding a little bit of shade and tonality to your already gray and silver hair. And another reason why you should try this is because they can help you improve your natural, beautiful hair color. Also helps to give your beautiful gray and or silver hair a new shade and or a new tone. So here are a few that you can try, research, and find more. Be sure to read the label before using these products. So I rinsed my hair, and you can see exactly what it looks like before I have fun with the color enhancer that I'm going to use today. Care Color Conditioner has several different shades that you can choose from. This one is the silver. I've used this one before and I really like it. It just gave my hair a little bit more dimension. But today, guys, I'm going to use, well, before I tell you what I'm going to use, I'm going to let you get a closer look of my hair, and then I'm going to turn around so that you can see the back. You can just see what color it is before we color the hair. So today I'm just going to be using the Joico, which is a line of color that I use in the salon. Joico is a semi-permanent, and it is the silver ice. And remember, this is semi-permanent, and it's only going to last for a few shampoos, right? So I'm going to leave it in probably about 20 to 30 minutes. No dryer, because I don't want it to enhance my color that much. I want it to wear away over a few weeks, and I just want to try this silver ice and compare it to the look that I got when I use a conditioner. I don't have any pictures of when I use this one, but I wanted to try a different brand, which is in my line of color, so that's why I'm using the silver ice. Okay guys, so let's get started with this application. I'll show you what the silver ice looks like in my hand. You can see it's such a pretty color. So we're just gonna apply it. Now, I'm gonna be honest. If I were doing this on a client, I wouldn't apply it like this, okay? I would do it very professionally. I would just take it and use a tint brush to apply it from each and every strand of the hair. But for me, I'm just going to make sure it's thoroughly saturated on my hair, and I'm just going to comb it through. So again, if I was applying it, and I truly would recommend, if you're applying it at home, to just apply it with a tint brush as well. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to apply it with my hands, make sure I got enough product on the hair. I'm just going to comb it through. Again, remember, this is the silver ice, and I got it pretty saturated. You can tell I got a lot of product on the hair. I'm just going to add a little bit more in the front, because the front is really silver, so the front is really where it's going to show the most dimension and color in the front. I'll probably leave it on for about 30 minutes because I do want it to kind of a little significant difference, you know, for this month, August. I'll comb that through as well. I just love a slight change. It doesn't have to be, because I definitely would never go back to coloring my hair again. And I'm not recommending that you color your hair again, but for those who have, you know, some silver hair and, you know, a little bit of maybe darker shades mixed in, kind of like the back of my hair is. If you just want to kind of have fun and have a little difference of a change, so I'll show you the back. I'm just combing it through. And we're going to come back and actually show you the results of my hair and see if you can see a significant change. And the reason why I have the black background is so that you can really see a difference in the hair as opposed to having, you know, a yellow or a colored background. Okay, so we'll be back. So I'm back, y'all. You can see the difference. And of course, it's still a little bit wet, so I'm just gonna calm it down and you'll see the difference. It's not a huge difference. It's always like a subtle difference, but you can see the difference. And of course, it's always gonna be different in the front. So I'm gonna also come back and show you how it looks when I style it, so you can see. So actually, this is a pastel. It's of course Joico's Silver Ice Pastel. So I'm loving it. What do you guys think? So most of these products, again, are only temporary. And to be honest, I didn't like it in the beginning. It was a little too vibrant for me, but I love the way it faded out. So a lot of companies do have those more pastel shades, so they are not going to add too much tonality if you choose like a pink or a purple or a violet, you know, any color along those lines. So the pastel colors, I would probably definitely try again, as opposed to the color that I chose originally when I used it the first time. So to me, these items do a lot of different things for people who just want to have fun, more excitement with their silver hair without trying real color. It creates fun for the summer. It creates fun for any season that you want. And also, these particular colors can last up to 12 weeks. You're not going back and being a slave to color again. You're just having a little bit of fun. So that is why these gray and silver enhancers can be more excitement and add more dimension to your already beautiful gray and or silver hair. The most important reason why I love these particular silver hair enhancers, because almost every color line has a silver and or gray hair enhancement. If you love your gray hair, you don't want it to give your hair a colored appearance. You just want to be able to add sheen, add shine, and just have a little color excitement temporarily. And I plan to start incorporating this as a service amongst my clients in the salon. Now, the way you want to try these products is ask your stylist about these silver and or gray hair enhancers, or you can do it yourself, DIY at home. They're really easy to use. They're not unhealthy for your hair. And again, it won't add that colored look to your hair unless you're trying a deeper look. And I would highly not recommend that. And I can honestly say that the conditioner specifically says not for gray hair use. I use the pink tone and the gray tone anyway, and I love much more the gray tone than I did the pink tone. Best usage of that product, like the hair is already a deeper blonde, like a light blonde or a medium blonde. When you add the rose gold, it's going to add the rose and the pinkish tone to the already gold hair. So it's going to give off that beautiful rose gold. But because my hair was silver, it gave more of a pinkish tone. And then when it was fading away, it kind of gave more of like this violet hue. But I love it, like I said, when it was fading away. So make sure that you consult your stylist, or if you have any questions, let me know before you actually try the product. And if you just want to create less dullness and more vibrancy in your gray hair, check out this inspiring video that will help you do just that. So until the next time, guys, take care. Peace. Go gray, be chic.